Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Godzilla and Pikachu as one character, okay? So we're going to jump into it right now. Okay, let's go over how to draw Godzilla and Pikachu mixed as one character, okay? So we're going to go over here and we're going to draw a curve right here for kind of top of the head. It's going to be very, Pikachu-like. I'm going to leave a little bit of space there, and I'm going to go over here to this edge, pull down, and then curve along the cheek. And then over here on this side, I'm going to pull all the way down for kind of like the belly area for the most part. A lot of this stuff is we're kind of talking about what version we're doing. Are we taking from Pikachu? Are we taking attributes from Godzilla? And I'll kind of walk you through that as well. So continue to curve down the bottom, up. Want to get that general body shape in, I think, first. Curve over here. And curl here for the foot back here. All right. Gonna go over here to the back, pull down, and then curve for the back area, continuing to kind of go down to that foot area. All right, so far we're doing pretty good. Line for the foot. Over here, curve, line right there. Line. Line over here, very Pikachu-like arm. And then we're gonna go over here and draw a little boom, boom, boom for the, so far everything's the same as Pikachu, so far. Line over here the far end to have that hand in the back. And then we're also gonna draw the curve over here along this side. All right, over here on this side, curve out, pull in for that Pikachu ear. And then on this side, we're gonna pull a little bit, I'm probably gonna pull all the way forward, kind of cover that. And then I'm gonna do the exact same ear on that side. Out over here, down. Curve line in, and then I'm gonna fill this out. And I'm gonna fill this out over here. Just kind of getting that dark portion of it. So let's kind of start going into the actual Pikachu features. I would say right off the bat, I'll go down over here, kind of give an angry look, right? And then curve right there, but keeping the roundness of Pikachu's eyes. That's kind of something that I think I want to do, kind of keep that within balance for the most part. And for the most part of everything you do here, you want to keep simple shapes within mind. Fill it out over here. Nose, which is almost a dot. It's like a tiny little triangle, but it's basically a dot. And we're gonna go over here, the mouth, up right here, little cleft. And then we're gonna draw kind of some teeth coming out of there to show that he's got like a mouthful of teeth, which again, we're taking from Godzilla at that point. Rosy cheek on one side, and then we're gonna go over here on the other side and draw another rosy cheek. And now we're gonna get into the, the Godzilla aspects of it. So one, I'm gonna replace his tail with a Godzilla tail instead. And I'm going to start with a spike network, okay? Spike network starts up here, smaller spike, kind of toward the top of the head. And I'm going to keep it moving. And then about over here, it's going to get a little bigger. Right there. Right over here. And kind of think of him like mountains. They're just little shards. Think of like ice shards. because that's really what's gonna give it a little more form and balance. And maybe like one more over here. From here, I would probably draw a thin line over here, drawing thin lines on here just to show the texture of the actual spikes on the back. And if you want, you can throw a line right here, thin line, to kind of show a change of color on the belly, which, you know, is, you know, and right here below the tail to show that counter shading. But there you go. It's a real simple, well, here's something we could do. I was gonna say, here you go, like I was gonna finish it, but I stopped myself. What I want you to do is maybe throw a thicker line around the outside. And that thicker line, what that's gonna do is it's going to give it a better feel to it. It's gonna make it look a little bit more like a sticker. It's gonna make it look more kind of like what you want it to look like. Like so. You know, and when you're doing that, it's going to kind of merge it all together. It gives it this unified look when you throw a bigger line around it. You don't have to. I just kind of recommend it. If you want to get really funny and goofy, you can do this. You can throw a little square shapes in the back, like there, you know, there's buildings. I think that makes it look kind of cute, right? But that's up to you. Draw little windows, little box windows. And there you go. That's pretty much it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.